Namaste. Welcome to Pyramid Vastu Solution. Myself Jamuna Lakshmika, Vedic and Pyramid Vastu expert. So now let's understand today where is the right location to the basement. What is the basement actually? See, wherever when we do the basement, in the basement the energy will get stagnant. So wherever there is no air circulation, wherever there is no sunlight entering to that particular zone, there will the negative energy will be created, the stagnant energy will be created. So many people, they will do the basement. In the basement till now we have not seen such a good prosperity or success. People who have done in the basement shops, always they go under loss. Suppose like there is called slope concept or the depth concept, where we can do a depth or the slope. So in particular direction, at least it will be beneficial. So let's understand the right place to do the basement. So basement can be, entry can be accepted in the northeast. Suppose this is your east facing side, you can do the basement here. Okay, this is a ideal location, good entrance we call. Suppose this is not provision for you, this is not able to do it, then you can take it entry in the northeast, where you enter like this and you can do the basement here. So you can, the second option I'm giving for the basement is a north entrance. Suppose this is your north side, you can give the entrance here. So this is a very good entrance. And also the north of this side, the northeast, you can give the entrance here. These are the four entrances that we can give to the basement. Apart from this, please do not give any kind of basement entrance. This will create a lot of negative energy and you will not see any kind of prosperity, because from when you do the basement, the energy starts coming from the earth, from the basement. So basement energy is more important. So next it will be traveled to the ground floor and also it will travel to the first floor. This is how the energy travels. So entrance of this will be beneficial for you people. So if you are okay, if you have this sites, you can get it. If you need any kind of guidance regarding the basement or the Vastu site visit or any kind of remedy for your Vastu problems, so do contact the below numbers. We'll definitely help you to come out of the problems that you're facing. So thank you so much for watching our channel. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.